Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this really quick. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new journaling kit that I got. So this is more like a journaling kit refill. It doesn't come in a case or anything like that. All of it comes in like one box, one bag. But this is a great replenishment for some of your supplies. So first off, we have our highlighters. So these are the pastel colors, which are the ones I absolutely love. Chisel tip. They work perfectly for highlighting the entire verse, line by line. We have our colored pens. I need a subscription of colored pen refills. So we've got 6 different colors here, perfect for writing in the margins. We also have a black marker. And then we have some of these magnetic page markers. So you can put them on the pages to kind of mark your spot. We have some brass and bronze colored cross paper clips. You can see those right there. Can you see that right there? Yeah. So you have a bag of those. We have these beautiful Bible tabs. I'm loving this color design. Earth tones, very pretty. And then we have the tabs. So these are the sticky tabs that you can mark different places and you can write on them. So like I said, this is more of a refill kit in my opinion, but it's a great starter if you're just wanting to buy a few things to get started, or if you're just trying to replenish what you're already using because your ink's running out and stuff like that. I think this is definitely a great choice.